While Indians are proudly celebrating mango season, one country has suddenly stopped importing Indian mangoes after almost 20 years. And you may wonder what is the country name, and that country is Japan. Yes, the same Indian mangoes like Alfonso, Kesar that are loved across the world are now facing a ban in Japan this season. So what exactly happened? Let's try to understand. Every year before mango exports begin in Japan, Japan sends a special inspection team to India. Their job is to check whether mangoes are being treated properly through a process called vapor heat treatment, also known as VHT. This process protects the fruit from pests without using the chemicals. This year also, Japanese quarantine officers visited a treatment facility in Rehmanpur, Uttar Pradesh in March. During this inspection, they reportedly found problems in fumigation and disinfection procedures. After this, Japan decided to reject mango shipments carrying inspection certificates issued after March 25th. You may wonder this has happened already or this is the first time. This is not the first time that has been happened. Back in 1986, Japan had also banned Indian mangoes over fruit fly concerns. That ban lasted for nearly 20 years before the exports resumed again in 2006. Now, exporters in India are upset. Some believe Japan is demanding a completely new treatment system and may be favoring Japanese-made technology. One exporter from Uttar Pradesh even questioned whether this is really about the quality standards or about monopoly and diplomacy. Even though Japan is not India's biggest mango buyer, exporters say the move is disappointing because Indian mangoes have followed strict treatment processing. For now, India's king of fruits may still rule the hearts of worldwide, but in Japan, the doors have temporarily closed once again. As we have seen, this is not for the first time that has been in. As we have seen, this is not for the first time that has been taken place in Japan, where the mangoes are banned, temporarily banned. This has already been taken place during the time of 2006 when it has been resumed, but as we seen, Indians and the love towards mango has been seen in the entire season. Like whenever the mango season comes, the Indians are like the mango pagloos. But this decision, like anyhow, the Japan is not one of the India's biggest, like the buyers of the mango season. But still, this is a very disappointing thing for the Indian people because in India, people believe mango as the season and the one of the biggest fruit in India. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.